Okay guys, I got a message from you asking me to show you another CPA marketing free traffic method. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that you can use. Here you can see this website is getting 1.6 billion visits every month. And when you scroll here you can see most of their visitors are actually coming from highly developed countries, which means this website has a good potential. So first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use CPAGrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want. So here for the country, let's just say I will use United States, but you can use any other country. Here for the category, I am going to use email and zip submit because those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And what I need to do, I actually need to find 3, 4, 5 CPA offers that I wish to promote in the same niche. That is really important. They must be in same niche. So let's say, for example, claim your $500 free pharmacy. Okay, I will promote this one. So I will simply copy this title here, and I'm going to paste that here in Notepad. Okay, and also I need to copy my CPAGrip affiliate link, and same thing, I need to paste that here. Okay, and I need to actually find, let's just say, grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. When I click here, I need to copy this title here. Okay, and I need to paste that here, and I need to copy my CPAGrip affiliate link, and I need to paste that here. Okay, and like I said, you need to find 3, 4 or 5 CPA offers, but for the purpose of this video I am going to use just these 2 offers. So next thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called Linktree. You need to register for a free account. After that you need to click here on appearance, and then you need to customize this channel, this Linktree profile. Here you can see this is my personal image here, but you need to change the image to be related to the CPA offers that you promote. So simply I will click here on remove, pick a new image, and I will add a new image. Here, profile title. You need again to add something related to your CPA offers. And here for the bio, same thing. You need to add something related to your CPA offers. Here you can see unlock endless possibilities with our free gift cards. Key to limitless shopping. Okay, so when you scroll here you can add different templates. You can add also backgrounds. You can change buttons and stuff like that. Customize this to look as better as possible. Okay, and after you do that, what you need to do, you need to click here on links because we need to add links. So I am going to copy my first link. Okay, Control C. And now I need to click here on add a link. Okay, and here I need to paste my URL. Okay, click here on add and give it a second. As you can see, they added this link. Now what often happens is that they actually refuse CPA links. In that case, you can go on tiny URL or bit.ly or whatever URL shortener, and you can use that URL shortener to shorten those links, and then Linktree will accept those CPA links. Okay, here for the title, I need to add my title. Okay, Control C, and then just click here on this pencil, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, and now I need to add my second offer. Same thing, just click here on add link, and then go back here, and I need to copy this link, paste that here, click here on add, and also I need to copy this title. Okay, title of my link, and again, same thing, I need to paste that here. Okay, and here on the right side you can see how this looks. Like I said, when you go here on appearance, you can change the color of these buttons, you can change the background, you can change your image, you can change this text here. Okay, you can customize everything that you want. And this is actually a tip for you. In order to increase your conversion, there is one little trick that you can use. You can simply go on a website called emojipedia.org, and here you can find free emojis. So for example, because I'm promoting free gift cards, I can simply go back here and I can, let's just say, for example, copy these shopping bags, and I need to go back here on Linktree, and again I will click here and I'm going to paste that here. Here you can see now I added these shopping bags. Okay, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing on this CPA offer as well. And now here you can see how this actually looks. it is a bit more interesting, and this actually increases conversion. I know it looks silly, but actually this does work. So after you add all of the links that you wish to your CPA offers, what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on share, okay? And here you will get your link, your Linktree link. Here you can see this is the link. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start driving traffic to this Linktree link. So to start driving traffic to your Linktree, what you need to do, you need to go on Reddit. And then here on Reddit, what you need to do, you need to search giveaways, okay? Giveaways. And for example, let's just say I will use this first one. So I'll just open this in new tab. And actually second one, sorry about that. And here you need to share your post. And I can actually use this post here. Here you can see I actually prepared this post. Here you can see, has anyone ever won in this? So I'm asking them a question. I'm not directly promoting my CPA offers. And this is the text that I use. And here you can see, you can find it here. And this is my Linktree link, okay? So I can send them to my Linktree where I'm promoting my CPA offers. Like I said, do not directly promote your CPA offers. Actually, ask them a question so they can actually confirm, yes, this works, or yes, this doesn't work. You are asking them a question. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, Control-C, and I need to go back on Reddit. Now, this is important, guys. So what you need to do, you actually need to click here on create a post in order to create a post. Here you need to add a title. So I'll actually add first a post, and for the title, I will use this, okay? Control-C, and this is my title. And I'm actually going to delete this, okay? And here you can see this is my message. This is my title. And when I click here, and actually I need to add a spoiler, just add any spoiler, and then just click here on request to post. And if your post follows their rules, they will approve your post and you will start getting traffic, okay? But what often happens is, for example, when I click on this first one here, you will see, and when I click here, you will see that in this subreddit, for example, you cannot share posts. Here you can see I cannot share posts. You can only share images, links, and actually only images and links. That sometimes happen, and also sometimes it does happen that these guys, moderators, they do not approve your post. Sometimes that happens. When that happens, simply change your message here to make it more acceptable for the moderators, and they will approve your post. And like I said, just go back here and just start searching for more subreddits, giveaway subreddits, free gift card subreddits, and so on, and you will start getting targeted, and you will start getting free traffic for CPA marketing. So as you can see, guys, this is really simple method, and this really is CPA marketing free traffic method that you can use in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.